Tea or coffee? The battle of the brews, a question that divides households, coffee shops, and even entire cultures. But what if I told you that the answer isn't as simple as just which one wakes you up better? No, this is about health. Your health. So, which one truly wins the fight for your well-being? Let's start with coffee. Rich, bold, and packed with caffeine. A lot of caffeine. But is it all good? Or could your beloved cup be doing more harm than you realize? Coffee can cause anxiety, jitteriness, and yes, sleepless nights. So, before you reach for that second cup, think about this. It may not just be your energy it's draining. It might be your peace of mind too. Now, let's switch gears to tea. Gentle, soothing, and packed with antioxidants. But don't be fooled. Tea isn't just a peaceful pick-me-up. It's full of health-boosting benefits. Green tea, with its powerhouse of antioxidants, can help fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and even aid in fat loss. It's the subtle superhero of the tea world. And that's not all. Tea has less caffeine than coffee, meaning you get a mild energy boost without the crash. Plus, it's been linked to lower risks of heart disease, improved brain function, and better skin. Feeling relaxed yet? Coffee may give you that rush, but is it worth the stress? On the other hand, tea offers a smoother ride to a healthier you. It's like choosing between a wild roller coaster and a peaceful scenic train journey. Of course, it's all about what you need. Do you crave the buzz of coffee, or do you long for the calm clarity of tea? There's no one-size-fits-all solution. So, what's the verdict? Tea, the health powerhouse, or coffee, the energizing beast? The choice is yours. But remember, one gives you more than just a boost. It gives you balance. Which one will you choose for a healthier life? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want more health battles. Tea or coffee, the choice is in your hands.